Hello friends, I'm Priti and welcome to our channel Krazzy for DIY. Valentine's week is about to start and love is in the air this week. Market is full of lovey-dovey stuff which are so attractive and also a little hard on our pockets. So I've been researching all week for beautiful warm ideas which will definitely make your partner feel very special and also budget friendly. So first comes Rose Day, which is on Feb 7. So let's check out some ideas.
Nowadays, roses are easily available in so many beautiful colors. You can buy single rose sticks of all the colors available. I have taken white, yellow, pink, orange and red. And as we all know, every colored rose has different significance. So you can make little message notes like these. Then wrap the roses like this. Attach the notes. And we are ready. You can give each rose at some interval during the day, red being the last one. Or you can hide these roses at different places where your partner will definitely find them while doing their daily chores, such as dressing table, workplace, wardrobe, laptop bag, etc. We can also use rose petals in many ways. You can get rose petals at very nominal rate from any bouquet store. They sell them at scrap value. So what you can do is take the petals and write small catchy messages for your partner. And give the petals in some beautiful box or pouch. You can decorate the box or pouch as per your wish. This will be a unique gift and your partner will love it for sure. Another out-of-the-box idea to celebrate your Rose Day is this. If you guys are planning to stay indoors, this is such an easy way to brighten up the environment. Take few rose petals, fill them in the ice tray like this. Pour water, freeze them, and we will have these beautiful rose ice cubes. Now all we need is a bottle of champagne, glasses, and a bowl or bucket sort of container. And this is how we can do the setup.
So you see how amazing these ideas are and totally affordable. Also you can make potpourri from these rose petals. I'll upload a video on how to make potpourri after the Valentine's week. Also there are videos lined up for this whole week of love. So stay tuned and do it yourself.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.